Hello, in this video I am going to look at the parts, pieces, equipment, items, objects from a gift that was given to me about over a year ago, and this is all to be used in the construction of a drone. I have not looked at the instructions for assembling this drone, but I can just talk about what I've done so far. So this drone comes with a remote controller, and this is the manual for the remote controller, FSI6X, and this is the receiver circuitry. I believe that's what it is. This is a USB adapter, and that's the remote controller in its plastic container. And then to power the drone, there's a lithium-ion battery, and to charge that battery there is a lithium-ion polymer balance charger. I read the instructions. It's good to read the instructions because I'm actually glad that I read it, because I found out that I have to handle this with care, and especially doing charging and discharging. So this bag that was given to me, it's still in its packaging. It's supposed to protect from fire. So this would be inside the bag with closed in some way, with the wires probably fitting outside while this charger charges the battery. So I read the instructions, well, not all of it, regarding this, and there are a lot of the adapters for the cables that feed onto the cables for this, and I saw the slot that this battery cable also is inserted into, so that eventually this will be connected here, and these will be connected to the charger. And then there's an adapter that is plugged into this battery charger, which will allow the battery charger to charge the lithium-ion battery. And then this is the Raspberry Pi 4 computer. It's a 2 gigabyte RAM Raspberry Pi 4 computer. I have a 8 gigabyte RAM in another video, I believe, but I'm gonna use this one that was given in this gift. And these are the legs for the drone, high landing gear for SK480, F450, F550. So I'll look at that once I get to that point. I believe these are the frames for the drone, and maybe the mounts for the rotors, I don't know yet. These are the rotors, 2 black, 2 red, and these are the parts for building the drone. I haven't opened this yet. I'm just gonna see what the contents are. I'm gonna look at the contents. Maybe I should have mounted the GoPro on my head mount strap so I could use my 2 hands better, but maybe this tripod can do for now. So I'm gonna open this up, and maybe I should clear this out. Put this somewhere else. So I can empty the contents of the bag. So here's some tiny screwdrivers, or a tiny screwdriver, some Allen wrenches, and some standoffs. I believe this might be for some type of circuit board, maybe the receiver. This, some more parts. Don't know exactly what that is for yet. I know this connects to the power source. I may need to cut these wires to make the connections eventually. Here's a USB adapter. Here are some 4 AA batteries from Amazon. Did not know Amazon had their own brand of batteries. Amazon Basics Alkaline AA. And here are more. This is a circuit and cable set. Eventually I'm gonna research the parts and figure out the assembly procedures. I don't have a manual for the assembly. I guess I can look it up online, try to figure it out. Static sensitive pixel something. Don't know exactly what this is, but there's a manual for it. I'll look into it. PixHawk. And this is something Simon K30A, something with the power supply, I believe it could be. There are so many parts and pieces and I don't see any instructions. These are the motors for the rotors. And here's a strap, Ready to Sky strap. I'll have to look that up, see what that pertains to. Oh, here's a Raspberry Pi camera. I think that's what it is. So the drone will have a camera, I think. I don't know. GPS module. There's a GPS module for this drone. That's cool. I think this is the most sophisticated drone I've had on my channel. You can look at my playlist for drones and you can see the videos I have. Here's the radio telemetry, 915 megahertz. This is cool. And I don't know exactly what this is. Here's more circuits and wires, pieces. Here is, I guess, for the circuit mounts. There's some plates, a couple plates. I don't know the number of plates, and then some bolts to secure items onto here, and some more circuit. XT60 Protect 16S compatible, 1-6S capable 0.5 amps whole current, 1.1 amp whole current. Don't know exactly what this is for yet. And then here's another USB adapter. So these are the contents of this sophisticated and looking to be very awesome drone kit set. I can't wait to start assembling this. I'm gonna try to see if I can show more videos of the assembly and keep you informed. Thank you for watching.